How to fix volume changes by itself on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to do is disable Bluetooth. So open this option of Bluetooth. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Once you check this, head back. Now scroll down. Go to the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Shutdown. Slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, open the option sound and haptics, scroll all the way down, open the option headphone safety. You will find the option of reduce loud sounds, toggle off for this option. Now head back, scroll down, open the option face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down. You will see the option attention aware features, toggle off for this option. Now heading towards very last solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix volume changes by itself on iPhone after iOS 17 update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.